Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Shah here and I'm back with another video. Now guys, this video is something different than my other videos because in this video, instead of gaming, I'm going to be showing you guys how to give your Windows 10 a really aesthetic look, a really nice look from scratch. As you can see, I actually made everything back to normal. Okay, so let's just get started. In the description below, I will be giving you a zip file. The zip file, when unzipped, will have these contents. This evasion is a theme. All of the stuff will be used and all of the stuff is necessary. So first, before all that, we need to go and create a restore point. Even though this method is completely safe, it still has its own risk. So guys, if you press on create a restore point and it shows some error, no problem. You go to control panel and then you can either search control panel, or you can simply go to your system and security, and then from there you can let's just search it up. You can type create a restore point and you will press on create a restore point, and you will wait for it to search the drives and make sure that the protection is on. The protection should be on. Like, even if you're not doing this, even if you're doing something else, protection on it's good for you. Like, even if something happens to your if you download a virus or something, it's still safe. Okay, so you can create a restore point, you will rename it, and we will wait for it now. Okay, so now that is done. Okay guys, listen up. When you open the folder, you'll find an Ultra EX theme patcher. What you have to do is you need to go and follow the installation processes. Now, when you reach the last step before you have to press install, what you have to do is make sure that your system is the correct one displayed here. It usually is, but sometimes it might not be. So what you want to do is you want to go to your settings. You can go to either settings normally, or you can press the shortcut of Windows plus I. Okay, so once you do that, you have to go to system. Wow, it's taking long. Okay, once you go to system, go to about, and when you scroll all the way down to about, you will get your system setting. You get your Windows specifications. You will search over there. You can see over there everything, and as you can see, it's correct for me. So what I'm gonna do is I'm simply gonna go back out, and I have already installed it. If I install it again, there might be some errors. So what I'm going to do is I'm not going to install it, but you guys will, and after you do, it will ask you to restart, and you will simply restart. Okay, so once you do, you will come back to the file and you will download drain meter. You will download drain meter and make sure it launch drain meter on startup is ticked. Okay, it will ask you to restart. Once you do that again, you will come up to next setup.exe. You will run it again. It will take some time. The screen blacked out because the Windows notification came. Do you want to allow this to change the settings and all? You go through the installation process, accept, next, and before it says install, I'm not going to install it, but you guys will, and it will probably ask you to restart. Once you restart your system, you have basically got every single required software, outsourced software. Now what you have to do is you have to go to the Windows Store and go and download a translucent TV. It's a modification for your taskbar, right? So you're gonna search it up, translucent TV, and we're gonna wait for the English one, not the one with the Japanese characters and all, and we're simply gonna go and download that once it loads up actually. Okay, so it says this product is already installed because I have installed it already, and now we have basically gotten every single software we required, right? So now we're gonna go and start configuring. Let me show you guys what translucent TB actually does. Okay, it's not opening up right now. Go and open it up again. There we go. As you can see, the taskbar is completely gone like transparent, and that's what you want. Right now, it may not look good, it may look weird, but it does get better. So yeah. Okay, now we'll go to our file, go to simplify, hashtag 2, right? Before that, you want to start up Nexus and you will wait for it to load up. It might take some while to load up, guys. Okay, while that's loading, you have to open the configuration files and you will get a file named mon. Okay, so if you have downloaded it normally, I think the shortcut will lead you where you're supposed to go, right? But if it doesn't, then what you have to do is you have to go another way. Okay, as you can see, my taskbar, my bar has showed up. Okay, this is called the Nexus bar, and this is a really this is one of the most important factors in the getting this aesthetic look. Okay, so we'll go back here, and if you have installed it correctly, and sometimes maybe not correctly, it will take you to the shortcut. But if it's not taking you to the shortcut, what you will simply do is you will let me take you guys there. You'll go to documents, you'll go to 20 meter skins, and you'll find all the skins that you have downloaded right over here. Okay, this will be the path. I mean, I don't think you can copy the path, but what you'll do is you'll right click on your files in Windows Explorer and you will find the file you frequent it, because you have restarted it like 2 to 3 times and you have opened it 2 to 3 times, so it will show up here. Once it does, you have to go to simplify, configuration files, and you will copy it, Control C, or you can just press the copy button and you will go right back there and you will paste it. But I've already pasted it, so I won't do it. Okay, so now what we do is you'll go back to this file, we'll go to simplify 2 again, and right now what you're going to do is when you open the up arrow, we'll find Nexus, we'll right click on it and go to preference, and once we do, we'll go to general. Wait, no, it's advanced, never mind, and we'll press on the restore button. We'll wait for the restore thing to come up, the Windows Explorer searcher thingy. Okay, it came up. Now what we'll do is we'll go and find the specified file, and the specified file is the file in the same folder. We'll go to simplify 2, config files, and the one with the extension of .wbk. Okay, and it's there. Now it won't show up anything right now. What you have to do is you have to apply it once. Okay, and now what you do, you go to either, no, it's, you know what it is, let me go see. Nope, it is appearance. Okay, we'll go to appearance and we'll press on apply transparency. Once we do that, all these things start to come up, right? And now we'll go and customize them a bit. First we'll do this because I like having to see what app I'm choosing, because I'm basically retarded. Yeah, but anyway, it gives you a nice look when you apply, when you can change it, and it shows you the name of the app. Right now we'll change the offset so it goes to the up at most top. You can make it down as well, but down will be taskbar, so that's why I chose top. Okay, and okay, so we'll close that up. You don't need that anymore, and as you can see, this stuff comes up, right? You know what, let's go and change, let's go and change the font. First we will go change the font. When you want to change the font, you go to appearance and you go to select label font. You can also change the size of the dock icons, but let's just change it to 51 per second, and yeah, I think that looks good. You can change the spacing, you can do this. If you want something like a MacBook or something, you can go to the big but I don't think it looks good. It looks really bad to me. But again, it's a personal preference. You press and apply, and then you go to label font. I actually have my own font. It is the Museo Sans. Let me go M. We go searching MU. Okay, there it is. We'll select the 300 variant. Increase the size a bit because that looks really small, and apply. Yep, now it looks better. Although I would like to take out the shadow, but I don't think we can. Anywho, we'll continue now. You can change the effect, like when you hover over any of the icon, you can change how it feels. First you need to apply it, and as you can see it's like completely static, but I don't think I would like really static feeling. I like something like this, like the Mac OS, right? This looks good. You can do flat magnify, which increases the whole thing. It doesn't look that good, but yeah, I'm gonna go with magnify for the time being. Yeah, you can change a lot of stuff here, and if there's a lot of stuff here, you can after watching the video you can come back here and explore every single option. But for now let's just apply, and yeah. Okay, so now we'll open the file, and okay, so what we're gonna do now is let's go and install the theme now, like the actual theme. You have to go to theme, normal taskbar, and you'll go and copy all the stuff. Press open. You can either press Ctrl C or can go and copy with this PC. Then you'll go to your main drive. Then you go to Windows. You search for resources. Themes, and you will simply paste it here, but I won't, since I've already have pasted it here from a long time ago. I'll close that and right click, personalize, and yeah, we can wait for it. We'll go change the wallpaper. This is my recently created wallpaper. So yeah, we'll go change colors. You know what, to become dark theme. Once we choose the theme, we'll go and select anything. For the time being, I'm going to select the simple matte. Okay, so as you can see the cursor changed, everything's changing. Okay, so let me okay, now what we'll do is we'll change the mouse cursor. Okay, okay, we've done this, so let me show you guys what we have done. As you can see on the top left, top right, we have the customized close, minimize, and maximize buttons, and yeah. Okay, so the next part, what we'll be doing is we're going to go and install this new Explorer. Okay, I've already installed it. If I install it, it'll ask me to reboot my PC, and it'll take me a long time. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys what you have to do. You have to go to appearance and press the first tick, and unselect the last two and unselect everything else, and you need to go to status bar style and make it gray, and then install it. Once you do, it will ask you to reboot. You guys will reboot and you'll be back here again. Now what we'll do is we'll go and install the cursor. Okay, we'll go to the normal file, and when you go down, all the way down, it'll be an install. You'll right click on it and you'll press on install. There's a black screen again with Windows security, and yeah, let's accept it. Okay, as soon as you install it, it will ask you have to first change it back to something normal, anything, and then you have to come back here, press and apply, and press yes. We'll press OK, and as you can see, the cursor changed. We're done with almost everything right now. What we'll do now is go and download the icons. You'll open the application, and what you have to do is you have to go to add a custom pack, go and find your file destination, and Once you do, you go and we'll go to Matt. From here, we'll go to icons, and then we'll select the version 1903 and up, and we'll select that .7sc file 70.73. Yeah. Once that's done, what we'll do is we'll start patching. This process takes a long time, so I skip it ahead. And now what you'll do is you'll reboot your PC. Okay guys, now that we're rebooted, what we'll do is we'll start modifying the taskbar. What you have to do first is you'll go to toolbars, you'll go to links, and you'll press on it. And then what you'll do is you'll unlock the taskbar. Once you do, you'll find these squirrely thingies, and you'll drag them till the end. And take the left side and push it to the right. And once you do, you'll bring it to the middle and a little bit to the right, little, like really little, and you will lock it again. So now when the link disappears, this comes in the middle. Now you'll go to taskbar settings, and you'll switch on automatically hide taskbar in desktop mode. Right now this is like halfway through the settings feeling. Now what we'll do is we'll go and download, we'll start using the rain meter now. We'll download, install both the plugins. I've already done it, but I'll do it again. Alright, now what we'll do is it came automatically when I run rain meter. This is what I'll be showing you guys how to install. Okay, I can't remove the visualizer. Let me right click on here, press on manage, and this kind of window will show up. Right, what you have to do from here is you will go to visualizer and you'll press on load. Like right now it shows unload because I already have it, but I'll press on load and it will come up, and you'll change the position of it. You click on mount, you click on clock, and it appears. So this is basically the final look, guys. This is basically it.